Loop, stap, word wakker. Die tyd vir vrees is nou verby. Die vrees in ons oë slaap nie. Dit dans, dit stamp en klop tot die oë rooi word. Geluk, die neef van vreugde, sing liedjies van vryheid. In ons stem hoor almal die melodie. Die rustige wysie wat gesing word, bring vrees tot 'n kalme nagrus. Bafotse bafolang, batheha noha entsho e maoto a lefokolodi. Ba latetse ho pikitla ditokelo tsa tekano. Jwale tokoloho e tlangwe ho qoqotho, leleme e le lefito. Mantswe a tiisitswe jwalo ka phoofolo e tlangweng sefateng. Moya wa puo o ntso bipetsane, o bipetswe ke nnete e imelang sefuba. Nkabe ke a bua, fela ke bua jwang ke le simong. Ba tla nkutlwa jwang tshotleho e kgamme molomo ka gareng le naleng. Pelo le kelello di a kalla. Mokgatlo o nolokolle pelo tsa rona ho mafito a tlhekefetso. O ikemiseditse ka ho tsheriana nahano ya rona. Moetapele ke motswadi wa setjhaba, fela bana ba hae ba pipitletswe ke tlala. Batho ba baholo ha ke telle, ke fela ke re qati e a lumiswana. When the voice of freedom day danced to the storm it caused when it called for democracy, I remember a rattle as though she, freedom, had swallowed thunder and birthed lightning for a brighter future. I was in my mother's womb, and I'm sure it was not her starving stomach I heard rumble. We have the right to food and security, yet too many South Africans have insecure nostrils that would kill for a whiff of crumbs to wade through their tongues. We taught our tongues a foreign language and called it a sacred prayer for manna. English has a common tendency of making miracles regular, for our African dialects are struggling to put bread on the table. Each day is the last supper, and poverty is drunk on the wine to numb the gnashing anguish of inequality. Anesthesia is the way of life here. Hear us, though our tongues slur and stammer. Hear us.